Alright guys, this is the brand new Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII. And honestly, this phone still carries that classic Sony style that feels different from most smartphones today. Sony is clearly targeting users who love multimedia, photography, and a more premium flagship experience without following too many mainstream trends. At first glance, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII looks elegant, minimalistic, and very professional. But beyond the design, this phone also packs some serious flagship hardware. So in this video, let's talk about what makes the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII interesting, and whether this could be one of the most unique flagship phones this year. Starting from the design, Sony still keeps its iconic tall and boxy Xperia look. The phone feels slim with a premium aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass Victus on the back. It also comes with IP65 and IP68 water resistance, so it should survive rain, splashes, or even accidental drops into water. And one thing that many people still appreciate, Sony keeps the dedicated camera shutter button and even the microSD card slot. So yes, expandable storage is still here. For the display, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII uses a 6.5-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen looks very sharp with a 1080 by 2340 resolution, and Sony also includes HDR support plus BT 2020 color reproduction for better media viewing. Watching movies on this phone should feel really immersive, especially with the stereo speakers and Sony's high-res audio support. And thankfully, Sony still keeps the 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, a real headphone jack on a flagship phone in 2026. Now, performance is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB internal storage. So for daily usage, multitasking, gaming, editing, or heavy applications, this phone should handle everything smoothly without any major problem. Sony also includes Android 16 out of the box with up to 4 major Android updates, which is good for long-term usage. Moving to the cameras, Sony equips this phone with a triple camera setup. There's a 48-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with optical zoom. Sony is also known for its natural color processing, and the Xperia series usually focuses more on realistic results instead of overly processed images. For video recording, both front and rear cameras can record up to 4K, and Sony also includes advanced stabilization for smoother handheld footage. For the battery, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII packs a 5,000 mAh battery with 30-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging support. Sony claims the battery can last comfortably for all-day usage, and there's also bypass charging support to reduce heat during gaming sessions. So overall, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII feels like a flagship phone made for users who want something different. It still keeps many features that are slowly disappearing from modern smartphones, like the headphone jack, microSD slot, and dedicated camera button. Combined with a premium display, powerful chipset, and Sony's camera experience, this phone definitely looks interesting for multimedia lovers and content creators alike. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.